Hi buddies, Jose Wire Ninjas. We build systems and circuits of integrity. We're also Dreamedia's preferred partner in New Jersey. Today, we're in Robbinsville, New Jersey, where we're going to show you how to install an in-ceiling speaker, specifically a Klipsch, a Klipsch Pro 160 RPC. Sorry, I install a lot of speakers. I had to check my facts real quick. Steve's going to be doing the install, but I'm going to be shooting the camera and guiding you guys through it, so let's check it out. So check it out, guys. The Klipsch reference series has a special bracketing system. It's like an internal basket with an external ring that actually holds the speaker in place. Now, we really want to shoot this so we can show you guys this. There's a little lock and an unlock sign which shows you twisting to lock or unlock. Let's see how this works. So you unlock by twisting and the speaker comes out of the basket. And then what you have here is, this is what actually holds the speaker in place. Now these are on springs, right, Steve? Mm-hmm. So you're gonna throw this in the wall and then pop the springs on them. It's gonna hold the bracket in place while you screw in the screws to secure the fitment. So he's just gonna pop that in the wall and then just push the leg up and it should pop over and hold itself to the ceiling. All legs are popped. So now the little legs are still down, so you can pop the internal basket in. He's gonna wire in the terminals real quick, red to red, black to black. It's like a xylophone playing upstairs. All right, he's got it wired in. Now he can line up the screws with the screw holes, and then he's gonna get a slight twist on it to lock it into place. He lines it up right there, and then he spins it. So now it retains the speaker. So it's holding the speaker, and all he's gotta do is thread in the 4 screws and he's done. Looks really nice, looks really clean. Yeah, you know what it is on the other model? It's a little speaker, and it shows you which way the speaker can move. That was like a block away from here. We did 4 of those in ceiling. The 8-inch reference series. The drywallers had a little bit of an issue cutting out our pre-construction brackets. Don't hold us accountable, please. This is not us. You can see a little hairs opening. They're gonna have to come fix that. You can't put the 1 screw in the entire way because it'll just be like sitting sideways, you know. You gotta start threading 1, at least get them halfway in and kind of working a little star pattern. Okay, she's secure, she's fit. Now it's time to slap the grill on her. You have 2 grill options with this speaker, a round and a square. This comes down to aesthetics for the room. So let's get the grill and the little fiber in there, little cloth. Grill's magnetic. It basically just sticks on. The only thing you have to make sure is that she's flush. See, this side's got to get pushed out a little bit. It's a really tight, nice, secure fit, so you have to make sure she's flush. Is that a drywall issue or is that the grill? Drywall. The drywall's popped out. Great. Yeah, buddies, the drywall is rough at this site. Well, that's your final finished product. In-ceiling speaker installed. Now, one thing I want to lay on to you guys is that you should be using hand tools for this type of installation. We do it on purpose. We do it so we don't over tighten, break the little plastic legs. Very important. I know your drill can be set down or keyed down to, you know, a setting where it doesn't over torque things, but not reliable. I wouldn't recommend it. It's not worth the drywall damage. It's a real hassle to replace the drywall. You have to cut all the way around the speaker to fix this thing. So, hand tools only. These speakers are relatively easy because of the bracketing system that they use, but fairly simple, straightforward installation. I want to thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.